Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So how do you solve this integral? So we can start off by splitting this integral into two different integrals. So integral from negative 2024 to 2026 of x dx plus the integral of negative 2024 to 2026 of x cosine of the angle x minus 1 times pi over 2025, all this dx. So we can call this one integral 1 and integral 2. Let's finish the integral 1 off. I1 is going to be the integral. So this one we can integrate. So that will be 1 half x squared. Integrating that from negative 2024 to 2026. And that is going to be 1 half. Plug in your upper limit, that is 2026 squared minus negative 2024 squared. This is like difference of two squares, which is 1 half 2026 minus negative 2024, and then 2026, I'm sorry, and then 2026 minus plus negative 2024. So that is 1 half. This one is 4050, and this one simplifies to 2, and that is simply 4050. So this is the value of the first integral. Now the second integral, I'm going to use integration by parts, right? The second integral I2, I'm going to use integration by parts. That is the integral from negative 2024 to 2026 of x times the cosine of x minus 1 times pi all over 2025, all this dx. So integration by parts, d and I. So I'm going to differentiate x plus minus. Differentiating x is 1, differentiating 1 is 0, and I'm going to integrate the cosine of x minus 1 over 2025 times pi. So integrating this, we just have to integrate the cosine, which is sine in right angle x minus 1 times pi divided by 2025. Then we differentiate the angle and divide. Differentiating the angle with respect to x is going to be pi over 2025, and you are dividing, so we are just taking the reciprocal, which is 2025 over pi. You differentiate again, we are going to have integrate again, 2025 over pi all squared, but negative because integrating sine is negative cosine of x minus 1 times pi over 2025. So we can now multiply our diagonal terms out. If you multiply diagonal terms, that is going to be the value of our integral. So our integral will simplify to 2025 over pi times x sine of x minus 1 times pi all over 2025. All this is the angle minus, so it's going to be plus minus minus, that is going to be plus 2025 over pi squared cosine of x minus 1 times pi all over 2025 as the angle. And you are integrating all of this from negative 2024 to 2026. And this integral is going to be 0, and I'll explain why it's 0. When you plug in 2026 here as the upper limit, that is going to be 2026 minus 1, which is 2025, which you cancel at 2025 at the bottom. So you are just having sine of pi, and sine of pi is 0. So upper limit is 0. When you plug in negative 2024, that is going to give you negative pi. The angle is going to be negative pi. And sine of negative pi is 0 as well. So it's going to be 0 for upper limit and lower limit. The second one, when you plug in 2026, that is going to give you cosine of pi. Cosine of pi is negative 1 minus, if you plug in the lower limit, that is going to give you cosine of negative 1. And cosine is an even function. Cosine of pi and cosine of negative pi are the same, so that's going to give you negative 1 as well. So the upper limit and the lower limit are the same, that will give you 0. So this is 0, this is 0. That implies that our second integral, this one, is equal to 0. So the value of our integral is just the first integral, which is 40/50. So this one here evaluates to 40/50, because the second integral, this is 0 and this is 40/50. Yeah, so that's how we solve this integral. If you find that helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Smash the subscribe button for more engaging content like this. I thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.